Assalamu alaikum everyone. Sadia Gondar here once again from the platform of Javed Publishers. Today we will be doing Kids English Grade 5, chapter number 13. The topic of chapter number 13 is an email. So let's start. On page number 89, now we will be reading the declarative, negative and interrogative sentences. Declarative sentences are those sentences that give you information or that say something. For example, the grandfather is reading newspaper. Negative sentences are those sentences which tell you something which is not true or which is incorrect. For example, Arham was not writing a letter. Interrogative sentences are those sentences that ask a question. For example, was Hassan sending an email? Now you have been asked to read the given sentences and tell whether the sentences are declarative, negative or interrogative. A. Do you know the types of media? This is an interrogative type of sentence. B. Sarah thanked her father for the gift. Now because this is a simple statement, so it is going to be a declarative sentence. C. They did not waste their time. Now in this sentence, we have used not in this sentence, so we are going to say this sentence as a negative sentence. D. Are the children playing basketball? Now this sentence is starting with a question word, that is are. So it is going to be an interrogative question. Now you have been asked to write some letters. So let's see. The first question is, write a letter to your friend about importance of media. So let's start. Dear friend, hope you're doing well. I want to write to you to tell you the importance of media in our lives. Media gives us a lot of knowledge and information. It also develops our awareness about the problems of our life like pollution, gender equality, etc. In short, media is a great source of educating the citizens. Hope you will agree with me. See you soon. Take care. And in the end, we are going to write your best friend, Ahmed. The second section of this question is, write a reply to your friend's letter to accept his or her invitation on Sports Day. So let's write this letter. Dear Ali, thank you so much for inviting me on your school's annual Sports Day. I will surely be there as last time I missed it. I'm excited about the badminton game you'll be playing on this day. I'll be there to cheer you up. See you then. Your best friend, Ashir. On page number 89, the next question is about application writing, in which we have to write an application for a sick leave to the principal. So let's write it. First of all, we are going to write the date, December 6, 2022. Then we're going to write the name of the person whom we are sending this application. It would be the principal, ABC School, Lahore. Then we would write the subject. The subject is request for 3 days sick leave. Then we would say sir. Then we will start writing in the form of a paragraph. With great respect, it is stated that I have not been feeling well since the past 3 days. I have been suffering from dry cough and high fever. The doctor has prescribed me complete bed rest. Kindly grant me 3 days from December 7 to 9th. Thank you everyone for your time. अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिएगा और जुड़े रहिएगा बोलती किताबों के साथ.